Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So obviously I'm touching the hair because it is what I want to tell you guys about. So these bundles are from my little collection right now. I have other bundles in stock. They're going to be swiping the screen as I go along, okay? And I want each and every one of you guys to support me because these bundles are cheap and they are a very good quality, like top tier quality. Do you see that? This is literally only 3 bundles and it is doing it's literally doing its big one. I would done my ear growth aisle. Listen, stop playing with me. Let me see if I see another one up there. Okay, I'm gonna have to take up one for myself. Somebody finish my hair growth. I don't want to put some on my lips because it's really nice. But anyways, guys, it's my first time in forever trying bundles and I think I like it. Do you like it? Are you gonna purchase from me? Use the link in the description to make your orders. Love you.